Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Shopify. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser and you're going to search up what font extension. So then you're going to click on this link, which says what font Chrome Web Store. So you're going to click on it and then you'll be greeted by this page here where it says what font and this button here which says add to Chrome. So you're going to add this extension to your Chrome browser. Now it says add what font, so we're going to say add extension. Now what you need to do is you need to log into your Shopify account. So I'm going to go to my Edge browser and here it is, my Shopify account. Then you're going to go to the left side here and then select online store. Now under themes, you're going to go to the right side here and then you're going to click on these three dots and you're going to click on edit code. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the left side of the screen. You're going to scroll all the way down and then look for a folder which says assets. So there it is. You're going to open it. Then you're going to scroll down again. And then you are going to open up base.css. Now what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you are going to click on here and then you're going to hit enter. So you're going to leave about 2 spaces. Now you're going to open up paste bin and you're going to copy this entire code. So I'm going to highlight everything. Then I'm going to right click and then select copy. Then I'm going to go back to my Shopify store. And then I'm going to paste the link here or the code here. And now we are going to look for some free fonts. So we're going to open up a new tab. So I'm going to use this website, for example, the fonts, download fonts. So I'm going to use this one, for example, PopCat. So I'm going to go to the right side here and then select download. Now you go to search up WTF and then here it is, WTF to WAF. Then you're going to access the first link. So there it is, TTF to WOFF converter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the file into the cloud converter. So there it is, the PopCat open type font file. I'm just going to drag it here. So once it is done, you are going to click on the download option here. So once you're done, you're going to go back to Shopify and then you're going to go back to assets and you're going to select add a new asset. So we're going to take the new file, so the metarotinia.waf, and we're going to drag it here. Once it is done, we are going to click on done. And there you go.